Water features. Rainwater. When it rains, much of the rainwater flows on the land. Some of the rainwater gets evaporated. Some gets absorbed in the soil and collects deep below the ground. Later, it becomes available to us in the form of springs or wells. The flow of water. Water always flows from higher ground to lower ground. In other words, it flows from hills to the plains. In the hilly regions, the slopes are steep. Here, the water flows very fast. In the plains, the slopes are gentle, so the water flows slowly. Formation of a river. When it rains, the rainwater begins to collect and run down the slopes to form streams. Small streams running down hill slopes are called rills. When a number of rills join and run together, we call it a brook or rivulet. Many such rivulets join and flow together to form a river. River and its tributaries. Many rivers come together to form a main river. The smaller rivers flowing into such a main river are called its tributaries. Rivers meet the sea. The place where two or more rivers meet is called a confluence. The area from which water flows into a river is called the basin of that river. A river finally flows into a sea. The place where a river meets a sea is called a mouth. Creek and banks of a river. At the time of high tide, sea water enters the river through the mouth. The area up to which sea water enters into the river is called a creek. The two sides of a riverbed are called the banks of the river. What is a lake? When water from higher ground flows down the slopes from all sides and gets collected in a low-lying area, it forms a lake. Now look at the image. It shows the different uses of water. Write the proper number on each use shown in the picture. 1. Domestic use. 2. Drinking water. 3. Farming. 4. Industries. 5. Hydroelectricity. 6. For wildlife. Greater Mumbai. Meethi is the major river in the south of Brihanmumbai. It flows in the north-south direction and later meets the Arabian Sea near Mahim on the west coast. This is the location of the Mahim Creek. Dahisar is the major river in the northern part of Brihanmumbai. Oshiwara and Poisar are the other rivers in this area. Tulsi, Vihar, Pawai are the lakes in the region of Kanheri Hills. These lakes are used for supplying water to the city. However, they are proving insufficient because of the growing population of Brihanmumbai. Therefore, water from the reservoirs of the dam on the Tansa, Vaitarna and Bhatsa rivers in Thane district is also supplied to Brihanmumbai. Find the following from the map. 1. In which direction does the Meethi flow? 2. Name the creek formed at the mouth of the Meethi River. 3. Name the lakes in Brihanmumbai. 4. Into which creek does the Oshiwara River flow?